Good morning, everyone. I am Agrima.
I am Shreya.
I am Madhav.
I am Akshat.
And I am Medha.
We are presenting our project titled Smart Dustbin with Automatic Wet and Dry Waste Management. The main aim of our project is to make waste disposal more hygienic, smart, and efficient. In traditional dustbins, people need to touch the lid manually, which spreads germs and bacteria. Also, wet and dry waste are usually mixed together, making recycling and waste management difficult. To solve these problems, we designed a smart dustbin that opens automatically and also separates waste, wet and dry waste.
The objective of our project is to promote cleanliness and smart waste management using automation. Our smart dustbin works automatically using sensors and a microcontroller. When a person brings their hand near the dustbin, the ultrasonic sensor detects it and the lid opens automatically without touching it. After the waste is dropped inside, the system checks whether the waste is wet or dry using a soil moisture sensor. Based on the moisture level, the dustbin automatically segregates the waste into dry and wet sections.
The main components used in our project are first, the Arduino Uno, which acts as the brain of the system and controls all operations. Second, the ultrasonic sensor, which detects the presence of a hand or an object near the dustbin. Third, the servo motor, which is responsible for the opening and closing of the lid automatically. And we have used connecting wires, the power supply, and the dustbin structure to complete the setup. All these components work together to make the dustbin automatic and touch-free.
Now, let us understand the working of our project. The ultrasonic sensor continuously detects presence of a hand or object near the dustbin. When a person brings waste closer to the dustbin, the ultrasonic sensor sends a signal to the Arduino Uno indicating that an object has been detected. After detection, the waste is placed on a soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor measures the moisture content present in waste material. If moisture level is high, the system identifies it as wet waste, and if the moisture content is low, the system identifies it as dry waste. The information is processed by Arduino Uno. According to the detected waste type, the servo motor rotates the mechanism towards either the wet waste compartment or the dry waste compartment. After selecting the correct compartment, another servo motor opens the lid automatically. The waste then falls to the appropriate section of the dustbin. After a few seconds, the lid closes automatically, completing the process in a hygienic and touch-free manner.
Now, we will demonstrate the working of our project. We have placed the object on the lid. The moisture sensor will detect the moisture content in the object and will segregate it into the dry and wet respectively. So, as in this case, the moisture contained by it was very less, so it has segregated it into the dry part. And if the moisture content would be high, then it would have segregated it into the wet part. This automatic segregation process ensures proper waste segregation and makes waste management more efficient and hygienic. This project can be used in multiple ways, for example, in home, school, hospital, office, etc. This project in future, it can be upgraded using IoT and AI technology for fully automated and smart waste management system.